Zoom has evolved far beyond its pandemic era video call frame. Now branded as Zoom Workplace, it's positioning itself as a full remote work platform. And it's worth asking if it's really the best in the game. Now, at its core, Zoom Workplace still delivers the crisp, stable video meetings it's known for, but now it bundles in persistent team chat, AI-powered meeting summaries, whiteboards, and Zoom Docs, a collaborative workplace for editing documents without leaving the app. You can even schedule, track, and manage projects directly inside the platform. For businesses, Zoom's AI companion is a standout. It can catch you up on what you missed in a meeting, draft follow-up emails, or even summarize chat threads. That alone can save hours each week, especially for distributed teams. Pricing is competitive, starting at around a free plan for basic meetings, while paid tiers add features like advanced collaboration, tools, larger participant limits, and more admin control. The downside, some of the most powerful AI and productivity tools are locked behind the paywall. And if your company already uses Slack, Microsoft Teams, Google Workspace, there's definite feature overlap. So is it the best work app? If your team values seamless video, built-in collab, and AI productivity tools in one hub, Zoom Workplace is a strong contender. But if your workflow is already tied to another ecosystem, switching might not be worth the disruption.